Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your LinkedIn profile to your resume, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your resume document on your computer. Navigate to the top section of your resume, typically where your contact information is located. Decide where you want to place your LinkedIn profile link, usually near your name or contact details. Go to your LinkedIn profile in your web browser. Copy the URL from the address bar at the top of the page. Return to your resume document. Paste the LinkedIn URL in the chosen location on your resume. Format the link to make it visually appealing. Make sure to use a professional font that matches your resume style. You may consider hyperlinking the text, using LinkedIn profile or simply LinkedIn. To hyperlink, highlight the text, right-click, and select hyperlink or link depending on your software. In the hyperlink dialog box, paste your LinkedIn URL. Ensure that the link works by clicking on it in your document, previewing it if necessary. Revisit your LinkedIn profile to ensure all information is up to date. Make sure your LinkedIn profile complements your resume content. Check for consistency in job titles, dates, and descriptions between your resume and LinkedIn. Save your updated resume. Consider exporting your resume as a PDF to maintain formatting. Now you are ready to use your resume with your LinkedIn connection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.